I'm here today with an exciting video. You guys know I love technology, I love gadgets, I love skincare, I love anti-aging. I'm so excited to be partnering with Amiro today to show you guys this really cool piece of technology. This is the Amiro R1 Pro Facial RF Skin Tightening Device. That is quite the name. It is so cool. This device is a radio frequency technology device. It basically sends heat to the deeper layers of your skin, and in response to that, your body is going to send growth factors and signals to produce more collagen to that area of your face. As you get older, you start to lose collagen, you start to get a little bit of sagging and wrinkling. So we're really wanting to find ways to build collagen in those areas of our face. So collagen is a protein that gives your face a more elasticity and firmness. It gives you more of that youthful look. So as you get older, you get the fine lines, you get a little bit more of the sunken look, and this just helps to produce more collagen in those areas. And then it also has electrical muscle stimulation. And what this does is it firms and it tightens the look of sagging skin, fine lines, wrinkles. You'll see in the demo that part of my face does look lifted after using it. So obviously the more frequently that you use it, the better your results are going to be, but you will see a slight noticeable difference from one side of my face to the other just from using it one time. So the more you use it, the more those results will start to become more and more permanent. Amiro R1 Pro Facial Device has so many benefits because it's a non-invasive option for tightening and firming the skin. You can do it at home. It's less expensive, more affordable than other skin tightening, firming treatments that are out there. So recommended use for this device is 5 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes at night. Use the electrical muscle stimulation, which is the little electrical zaps you can feel. You'll see in the demo when I'm doing it, my eye will start twitching. It does not hurt. I can go to the full level, the highest level, and it's not painful, it's not uncomfortable. It just feels like little twitches, like you can't control little muscle twitches. So in the morning, if you just do the electrical muscle stimulation, you will see a noticeable, visible lift to your face. Obviously, the more you use it, the more those lifts will start to become more permanent, last longer. And then in the evening, you do the radio frequency, which is the warming. It feels amazing. You do the warming to the skin, and then you do the electrical muscle stimulation. So when you pair the two together, it just gives you the greatest benefits because you get the muscle stimulation. You also get the collagen stimulation as well. And it's super easy to use. It is kind of like a way to treat yourself at night. The 5 minutes does not take long in the morning when you're getting ready. If you're putting your hair up in rollers, you need your hair to cool, you're putting on deodorant, you just run this on your face. 5 minutes, boom, bam, you're done. And I've been really loving it. You also want the little gel that goes with it as well, which is what helps activate it and make the R1 device work properly. So I'm going to jump in. I'm going to show you how it works, give you a little bit more information about it, and then you'll be able to see the little bit of lifting that my face does have after using this device just once. Using the Amiro R1 Pro Facial Device is simple and easy. First, make sure your face is clean and dry. Next, you're going to apply a thin layer of the conductive gel to the treatment area. This gel is great because it helps conduct the RF energy into your skin. Then you're going to turn on the device and select the desired energy level. I went full power on this one, and the device has 5 energy levels. You can start with the lowest one and gradually increase as you get used to the sensation. I like to move it in long upward motions, and you will feel a slight warm tingling sensation. It's not uncomfortable or painful whatsoever. It actually feels really nice. You're going to move the device to a new area and repeat the process until you've treated the entire area. Now I'm moving to the muscle stimulation. And again, start at the lowest setting until you're comfortable and you can move up from there. I went full power because I've been using this for a few days. I do the same process as I did with the warming. I just run it all along my face in slow motions. This is actually sped up, believe it or not. I go very, very slow, and you'll see my eye twitches a little bit there. The great thing about this is that with continued use, you can expect to see tighter, firmer, and more youthful looking skin. The RF technology stimulates collagen production, which helps to improve the texture and elasticity of your skin. You may also notice a reduction in fine lines and wrinkles, as well as a more even skin tone. The results are gradual, so it's important to keep using the device consistently and as directed to achieve the best results. The Amiro R1 Pro Facial RF Skin Tightening Device is safe, affordable, and effective way to tighten and firm your skin. With its advanced RF technology, it helps to stimulate the collagen, resulting in tighter and more youthful looking skin. So if you're looking for a non-invasive way to improve your skin's appearance, the Amiro R1 Pro Facial Skin Tightening Device may be just what you're looking for. All right, guys, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and it gave you a new device to look into for anti-aging and collagen reproduction, tightening, firming the skin. I have really enjoyed using this and incorporating it into my nighttime routine and my daytime routine, actually. And so thank you so much, Amiro, for partnering with me on this video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.